What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Working on the 99 Ford F-250. Customer said about 6 months ago he installed rear brakes, and ever since then the left side keeps locking up. That's the driver's side. Check out why. If you look right here, these are your brake shoes. And what he's done is he's installed 2 long ones on the left side and 2 short ones on the right side. These are the new brake shoes going on the car, and this is what I mean by long and short. If you look right here, look at the distance between this brake lining and right here. That's about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. On a long one, look at the distance between the brake lining here and here. That's about 1/4 inch. These are long and these are short. That's the difference between a long and a short brake lining. Long ones always go to the rear. So just remember that when you're installing rear brake shoes on your vehicle. Guys, that is it for this quick tip. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.